Hello, this is the entry specialist. What I have for you guys today is a Lockwood Monoblock padlock. It's model number 290S84. It's got an 84 millimeter shackle, and this guy is a true beauty. It's an entire block of stainless steel. It's a super heavy lock. It weighs 1.5 kilos, and it's a six pinner. So let's see what it takes to get this open. I'll be using top of the keyway tension and a standard hook from Peterson. It is quite a wide open keyway, the LW5 keyway. The hardest part about picking this lock is probably holding the lock. Let's see if I can get the camera angle right. Okay, I think that's fine. Click out of 6, click out of 5, nothing on 4, click out of 3, click out of 2, massive counter rotation on 1, and we are open. So let's take this apart and see what's inside. So there's a screw in there, a hex screw. So let's get this open. And okay, let's get this over here. Okay, we have that, and the lock should just fall out, just like that. So, okay, let's see. Okay, 2 screws at the back. Usually they have a key retaining pin right there. I'm not sure if it doesn't come with it in this series or I dropped it. Please let me know in the commenting section below. Okay. Okay, as you can see right here, it is a 6-pinner with 2 anti-drill pins populated, which I'm quite impressed. So let's see what are these key pins. Standard, another standard, 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 no surprise, these are all standard with these 2 anti-drill pins. Okay, so a spool pin, spool, another spool. No surprise, these are all standard Lockwood spools. Let me get the camera to zoom in. Let's get the springs out. We might as well get the springs out, right? So you can see these are all standard Lockwood springs and key pins, and these narrow. Let's get this focus. Come on, camera. Come on. Yep, these standard spool pins. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to keep the channel going. Have a nice day. See you all next time, and thank you.